Django, inline form set underscore factory with more than one foreign key. I'm trying to do a form set with the following models, where boost is the primary. I want to display a form to add a boost item, trying to do in this way. Here is my questions. 1. When renderized, the combo box for creator, show a list of db.userinfo, literally. I want this to display db.userinfo.auth.username that are already in the database. How to do this? 2. In this way, where is my db.gameinfo to choose? Thank you. Equals D. Equals. Charshaic answered my question very well. Boo, now I need just a little question. When I use the model form to create a form for the boost underscore trophy model, it's work nice, but I wanted the form to show in game box only a really small set of items, only the geometrophy info or game underscore name equals game underscore a results. How can I do this?
If I understand you correctly, to change what is displayed, set the models __ Unicode __ function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.